So hello guys, welcome back again iTechHub YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to see your Instagram password if you forget it. So guys, lot of Instagram users to say when create on Instagram account in iPhone as well as Android devices. So guys, but still sometime after automatically forget the password on Instagram in iPhone as well as Android devices. So guys, now first of all open the Instagram but still sometimes don't remember Instagram passwords. So guys, now in this tutorial I will show you how to see Instagram password without resetting on iPhone as well as iPad. So guys, please make sure you are subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also please follow the steps and easy to see your Instagram passwords. So guys, how to see Instagram password on your iPhone as well as Android devices. So guys, first of all open the Gmail applications. So guys, in Gmail applications you can see also all Gmail available on your iPhone as well as Android devices. So guys, now simply tap on the manage your Gmail account. So guys, simply tap on that. Now you can see also swipe down and also select the security options. So guys, in security options scroll down, again scroll down. Now you can see also password options available in your iPhone as well as Android devices, same processes. So guys, now you can see also password manager options available. So guys, now you can see also this type interface show in your iPhone as well as Android devices. Guys, now scroll down and find out the instagram.com. So guys, simply tap on that. So guys, now you can see also this type interface show in your iPhone and Android. So guys, simply enter your correct Gmail password in your iPhone and Android. So guys, now you can see also your Instagram username and also password available in these applications. So guys, simply unhide the password in your iPhone and you can easily see your Instagram password in your iPhone and Android devices. So guys, this video too you can easily see your Instagram password if you forget it. Guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram account. Thank you so much.